Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. In previous class we discussed 1 mark questions and I hope you all practiced that 1 mark questions, and in today's class we are going to discuss 2 mark questions which we are going to get in your periodic test exam. Already I given how many lessons you are going to get in a periodic test exam. So let us start today's class. I took here some examples from your all lessons. How many lessons I given in for portion, how many lessons I given, no, among that I selected some questions and they are very important. Same kind of examples you will not get, but this kind of examples instead of 24 you will I will change here digits. You have to solve this kind of examples. Okay, fine. So here I am already how to multiply the number. So here I took one example, multiply 24 kilometer 300 meter by 7. So here you have to separate this kilometer one side and meter one side, right? Where 24 kilometer and there 300 meter. Where kilometer is there, no, there kilometer. Where meter is there, no, meter. By how much I am going to multiply here? So here with 7. With 7, or I will take here 3. With 3. Okay, when you are multiplying, start with meter side. 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 0, 0, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is, what I am going to write here? 72 kilometer 900 meter. Okay, so this type you are going to, so how you are multiplying the normal digits, no, the same you have to multiply here also, but this kilometer meter writing is important. So practice this kind of more examples are there in your textbook, so do practice it. So next here, divide 91 kg 7499, not 7400, this is 9 and this is gram is there. Okay, so here 749 gram by 7. So I will write here, this is 91,749 gram. So here you have to write 91,749. Okay, gram, this is gram, and take here 7. Start dividing the number. How you divided the whole numbers, no, the same you have to divide here also. So 9 ones are, not 9 here, 7 is there, 7 ones are 7. Next 9 minus 7 is 2. Next you take this 1 down, 7 3 are 21. 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. Next you take this 7 down, and here 7 ones are 7. Again 7 minus 7 is 0. Next you take this 4 down. See here, but in 7 ones the table 4 is not there. Give 0 and take this 9 down. So 7 7s are 49, 0 0. So how many kg here? This is 13,107 kg. If you get here any remainder, then that you write as a gram. Okay, so this type examples you have to practice in home. So next here I will take one more example, so which related to time lesson. So dear students, here this kind of examples practice in home. So the question is, convert 8 months 17 days into days. Next question here, convert 110 minute into seconds. Next here, convert 35 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale. Okay, So here to solve this example you have to know in 8 months, in 1 month how many days are there. Here to solve this you have to know 1 minute is equal to how many seconds. Here you have to know the formulae. Okay, here you have to know the formulae, then you are going to solve here example. Then tell me 1 month is equal to, I will take here 30 days. Yes, 1 month is equal to 30 days. Therefore 8 months is equal to 8 into 30 plus this 17 days already you have to write, because you have to write here because it is already in days. So take here 8 3s are 24 and this 0 you as it is plus 7. So take here 247 days. How many days? 247 days. So this type you are going to solve this example. So next convert 110 minutes into seconds. So here 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then 110 minute is equal to 110 minute is equal to 110 into 60. So do subtraction here. 110, not subtraction, multiplication. So write here 0 0 0. Next you multiply with 6. 6 into 0 0. 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6. 0 0 6 6. 6600 seconds. In 110 minutes you get here 6600 seconds. Okay. So this kind of more examples are there in textbook. Practice it. Next I will move to next question, and that is convert 35 degree into Fahrenheit scale. For that you have to know the formula. So that is, the formula is C into 9 by 5. 9 by 5 plus 32 is equal to Fahrenheit. So here C means you know how much is there, 35. Later you multiply with 9 into 9. So how much you will get here, 35 into 9. 9 5s are 45. 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 4 is 31. So write here 315. 315. Next you divide with 5. So you divide with, again take here 315 and divide with 5. 5 6 are 30. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. Next you take this 5 down. 5 3s are 15. 0 0. So here how much it is then, 63. After dividing I get here 63. Next plus 32. Then write here 63 plus 32 is 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 3 is 9. So it is 95 degree Fahrenheit. So this type you are going to solve. First here you need to multiply with 9, divide with 5, add with 32. So keeping formula in your mind is important. So use this formula and you will get the answer. Okay. So next I will ask here 2 more question. Find the profit and find the loss question. Find the profit. Here they given CP is equal to, here they given CP is equal to 659 rupees and SP is equal to 734 rupees. Okay. So here you are going to find profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Already we discussed this kind of examples in classroom. Okay. Right here 659. No, first selling price is 734 minus 659. Do subtraction here. 14 minus 9 is 5. 13 minus 5 is how much here? 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. So the profit is 75 rupees. The same I will ask here loss. I will give cost price, selling price. You have to find the loss. Okay. So for that you have to know the formulae. So keep practicing formulas. Next. I hope you understood this, all the examples. So this kind of examples again in your textbook they are there. So again next question is there here, how to find the loss. There you use loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Okay. So solve this all the examples. I hope today's class is clear to you. Thank you.